Is SnapTrader AI really the smart trading partner it claims to be, or is it just another risky bet in the wild world of crypto? Today, I'm breaking down what users are actually saying about SnapTrader AI on Trustpilot, and the truth might surprise you. First off, let's talk about the numbers. SnapTrader AI has a Trustpilot rating of just 2.2 out of 5 stars. Out of 9 reviews, 8 are the lowest possible, 1 star. That's a major red flag right away. Digging into the details, the biggest complaint is significant losses. Multiple users report losing all the money they invested, with 0 winning trades and no take-profit moments. One reviewer literally said, "All trades lost." Ouch. Next, there are withdrawal issues. Several people mention struggling to get their money out, though some of this might be tied to the third-party brokers that SnapTrader AI works with. If you're thinking about trying it, test withdrawals early, and only with small amounts. Transparency is another problem. Users say SnapTrader AI is vague about how its strategies work, and the win rates advertised don't match up with real results. Plus, SnapTrader AI isn't regulated, which just adds to the risk. And then there's customer support. Many reviewers complain about slow or totally unresponsive support teams. Waiting days for a simple answer? Not a good look. Finally, a lot of users feel misled by marketing that promises easy money. When reality hits and trades go south, the disappointment is real and expensive. So, is SnapTrader AI worth it? Based on what I'm seeing, it's a high-risk move at best. If you're still tempted, do your homework. Start small. And remember, in crypto, there's no such thing as guaranteed profit.